Good day, everyone. Learn how to fix Face ID and passcode not showing in the settings. So I'll go to the setting and I'm looking for the Face ID and passcode and it is not showing here in the settings. To fix that, we need to go to the screen time and then scroll down. So mostly the restriction could have been the reason that why the Face ID and passcode option is not showing. So we will go to content and privacy restriction, and under privacy we will scroll down, and here it says allow changes to passcode and Face ID was don't allow. So I'll just click on allow and I'll go back, and it should be also checked and turned on. Now I'll go back here and I can see just below the screen time I have the Face ID and passcode. So if you find this tutorial useful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.